Hey guys, wanna know how to change location color in your Instagram story? Let me show you just two simple ways on how you can do that easily. So follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's get started. First off, open Instagram on your device and then swipe to the left to start creating your story with the location. Now open the gallery by clicking on this small square at the bottom left, and now select either an image or a video, and when selected you should see the sticker icon at the top to the left. So now just give it a tap. This will bring up this pop-up menu, and now look here for the location option at the top right here. So just give it a tap, and now either select the location from the suggestions or just search for it. So now again, simply click on it, and now to actually change the color of the location, simply tap on it. As you can see, the colors do change, so now let me show you the second way on how to do that. So now just delete the previous location just by dragging it to the bottom to the trash bin, and now click on the text option at the top left. So here you will see the location option right above your keyboard. So now just give it a tap and again choose your location. And when chosen, here right above the keyboard again you will see the palette option right here. So just click on it, and now here you can select the color. So when satisfied, just tap down at the top right and then just finish your story and click on your story at the bottom left, and this will actually upload it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.